Finding an address is one problem. Confirming somebody actually lives there is a different problem, and it is the one that decides whether your process server wastes a trip. Utility connection data is the strongest signal available for that question because turning on power or water requires identity verification, a deposit, and a service address. People do not connect utilities at places they do not occupy. Be clear on the legal boundary, though. Utility account details are not public records you can simply request. They are protected customer information, and any service claiming to hand you a stranger's utility account is not operating lawfully. What legitimate research uses is regulated commercial data derived from these sources, available only to users with a permissible purpose under federal law, collecting a debt, serving legal process, and similar recognized uses. Within that framework, connection status is a powerful occupancy confirmation. We work inside those rules and will tell you when a request falls outside them. If you value straight answers about what is and is not permitted, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.